YouTube rolls out feature to let users remove unwanted videos from their home feed. YouTube is testing a new tool designed to give users more control over their recommendations by allowing them to remove videos they don't want to see from their home feed. The update aims to reduce clutter and increase relevancy for individual viewers. How the feature works. Under the new trial, users may see an option to remove specific videos from their suggestions directly on the Home tab, rather than just using Not Interested or Don't Recommend channel. The idea is to give people a more direct way to clean up their feed when the algorithm's recommendations are off target. This feature is YouTube's response to criticism regarding its algorithm, which can surface content that does not align with users' interests. Some longtime users have described their home feeds as cluttered or irrelevant. Changing the viewing experience. The feature gives users greater control over what they see, potentially improving satisfaction by reducing unwanted content. Instead of passively relying on viewing history or watch patterns to shape the feed, viewers can now take an active role in curating it. Because the feature is in testing, not all users will see it immediately. It remains to be seen how well it performs in terms of accurately preventing unwanted recommendations.